Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on the new bronzers by Makeup Revolution. So as you can see here, my face, is pretty much done. I didn't do any contour. I just really wanted to just bronze pretty much, and I think the bronzer is dark enough that I can use it to contour my nose a little bit. So I think that'll be great. And I'll insert a picture of these shades because these shades are wonderfully great because they go so deep, and for them to be a drugstore brand, it is like really amazing that they were able to do that, since a lot of higher end brands don't really cater to dark skin when it comes to bronzing. So this is the shade that I have, and I have the shade Deep. And like I said, the picture that I insert, it will be a picture of all of the other shades. So when I went online, I thought this would have been the best option for a shade for me. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I do have, I pretty much, set everything in place. Brows are done, eyes are done, all of the good stuff is done. So, and I'm going to take a brush like this, and I'm just going to kind of roll it around in there just a little bit, because I did use this before, and a little goes a long way, we'll say that. So I'm just going to go and kind of suck in my cheeks. And using this, like, I can really just tell, like, I didn't even need to contour, because like it really is bringing that warmth to my face, and I am here for it. I'm loving it. I'm just going to go in and apply some to my forehead. Okay, as you can see, like, I still have powder a little bit, so I'm just going to take and brush that powder off. Sometimes I'm going to take this brush, and I'm just going to go in very lightly and contour my nose. Like, I really feel like I think I might go and get like another shade. I think I'm gonna get the shade darker than this, because I think that I could use that one, like, went to do like a little bit more, like a deeper nose contour. Or I think I could just use like a darker shade if I wanted to do like a powder contour instead of just bronzing. So that's always an option. Well, that looks like that was taken care of. So as you can see, my nose has a little bit of contour on it, just a little bit with the bronzer. I think it looks pretty okay. And that's good here. And then I am going to go ahead and take a little bit of setting powder. I'm going to take the Beauty Bakery setting powder and just go in and make a line. Do that line under where I bronzed. I'm going to take a little bit of Milani and put her down in my inner eye, because it's like it has a sheen to it, but it's not as shiny as Hustla Baby is. So it'll still give me that inner corner highlight, but it's just not gonna be too shiny, since like this is a really, I don't think this eye look needs anything bold, because it's already real bold here. Okay, just look at that. Look, this just looks very nice and blended. Okay, so I'm gonna take a brush just to, and then blend, well, brush that off here, that powder that I let set. Finishing, just to finish up everything that I've added here, I'm going to take a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me powder, just very little, just like very little amount. And I'm just going to go ahead and just make sure everything is set on the face. And I think, you know, we are just about done. Because I was thinking about, should I add some blush? Like, is blush needed? And I feel like it may be just a little bit neat. So what I'm going to do, instead of just using straight blush, I'm going to take this pink highlight shade in the Golden Sugar Rose Gold palette by Makeup Revolution as well. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just kind of blend that into Hustla Baby. Just a little bit to give it some like pink sheen there. Not a lot, just a little bit, so you see like the gold and then the pink. Okay, and then that, my friends, is it for face wise. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe setting spray. And all I have to say about that spray, is I just love the mist. Like, the mist is just so, it's just so calming, and just the mist is just it's just great, and that's all that matters, because I love that mist. Okay, and then I'm going to go and just finish my under eye. And I will say this, if you would like a tutorial on this eye, let me know, because I was just playing around with the Nirvana Pick Volume 2 palette. So I was just playing around with that and came up with this. So if you would like a video on this, let me know, and I can make some shape. But I'm gonna just probably skip through the under eye portion since I didn't really do a video on that, and then we'll get to the lips. The eyes are finished. I'm going to just go ahead and finish my lips, and then we are just about done. I'm going to take the Rimmel London color Coffee Bean to align my lips. Lid now, whole nother story. So I'm gonna go in with Creme Brûlée, because this has like been my favorite. This is like a beautiful lip combo, and just go in with it. And there we go. And then on top, I'm going to take a little bit of peachy from the pout from Makeup Revolution. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take my finger because this stuff is sticky, sticky, sticky. And there we go. I really like this lip combo. Hey, this is really cute. Really cute. Okay, but let's get to the tea, to the juice of everything, what we were here for today in the first place. So this bronzer here, all I can say is face is well bronzed, and I didn't even contour or anything, so I think this did a really good job of doing so. And I'm going to have to get more shades because this product is really amazing. And I do want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have stayed to the end, I appreciate it. And if you could, definitely, if you would, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know, do all that stuff, support me, and thank you. Have a great one.